Mr. Clamp, the greengrocer,
come buy my vegetables, fruit ripe and beautiful, fine, fresh and fancy, come buy them from me. Come buy them from me. Cabbages, carrots and tender spring greens, broccoli, Brussels tops, fresh runner beans, peaches and plums and pears by the pound, parsnips and beetroot straight from the ground, apples and oranges, strawberries too, mushrooms gathered in this morning's dew, radishes, lettuces, onions, shallots, tomatoes, potatoes and lots of spinach. Come buy my vegetables, fruit ripe and beautiful, fine, fresh and fancy, come buy them from me. Come buy them from me.